Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day, and let's see where today takes me. Okay. Yeah. So while I walk down over stairs, I keep trying to stay present, to keep practicing for every single day. Wow, this is the first floor. This is the ground floor. Okay, this is the gate actually. I need to unlock the padlock over here. Wait a minute. And yeah guys, the street is already active. I can hear the footsteps, the engine, the cars, motorbike passing by, and they are seem busy. Yeah. Now I'm arrived at busway stop, so I'm waiting for the bus to arrive over here. And suddenly, the sign over there that show the pole, and also there is the word on it. You familiar with that? So some people look busy, some people look tired, and also the cars, the motorbike keep passing by right in front of me. And also the view, the weather is right cold. Okay, so now I'm transferring to the train. I am about taking my cabin. At the walk actually. So this is separated between two kind of directions. So if we move into another one, we should cross. And yeah, friends. So there are many people moving in the different directions, and they seems hurry and also tired. Yeah, let's look from their face. And yeah, guys. So this is the look of stations, city stations. So before I just transferring to the train, so I couldn't record while I get down from the busway stop because so crowd. I really crowd. And today the trains is kind of empty, and the firsters was already went, so I'm was already gone, so I'm waiting for the next stations over there. That one, I'm waiting the train over there. I had already told you before this, the trash bin, this is bench or chair that we came across in station area. And also this is the railway where the trains pass. And also we came across the yellow ones guarding blind people on the road. I also came across jalur evakuasi, which means when dangerous situations happen, so this direction actually leading us to moving to another direction, to that direction. So that one actually safe zone or undangerous zone. Yeah. So the train is gone. It's gone. Okay. Transfer to another train actually. other side because I just asked for the security guard moving to the other side. The guy going to Chicano. That's why I'm going up on the stairs and heading to the other side.